Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Manila Hotel Reservation. This is Jenny Lynn speaking. How can I help you?
I'd like to make reservation, please.
Before we proceed to the reservation process, may I know who is on the line?
I'm Ronaldin Ayaras,
Could you spell your name, ma'am?
Ronalyn.
I repeat it, ma'am. R is for rock, O is for orange, N is for number, A is for apple, L is for love, Y is for yogurt, N is for novel. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Thank you for the information, Miss Ayaras. May I know which date you would like to make your reservation?
I'm planning to visit Manila on January until 12. Do you have any vacancies?
Yes, we have several rooms available on these particular dates. May I know what type of room?
Do you have any single bed deluxe rooms?
I'm sorry to inform you, Miss Ayaras, but our single deluxe room has been booked on the 8th of January. How about double deluxe room instead? We can transfer you once there is available.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
Perhaps you didn't know that we have a new room rate. Do you want to see it, ma'am?
Tell me the price so I can make a decision.
For double deluxe room, we have it at 5,000 per night.
That's a good price.
Now, would you prefer to have a room with a side view of Manila?
Yes, I would like to.
Great. Would you like to confirm reservation, Miss Yareras?
Yes, I would like to confirm the reservation.
Can I have the name of the person who will be staying?
Miss Ayaras.
Your reservation is already verified. May I know what is your phone number, ma'am?
09-123-456-79110.
Let me repeat that, Miss Ayaras. 09-123-456-78910. Okay, Miss Ayaras, how will the bill be settled?
Do you accept via Visa?
Yes, Miss Ayaras. Can I have your number in your via Visa, ma'am?
Sure, this is the number 123-44321.
And what is the name of the card holder?
Ronaldin Ayaras.
Alright, Miss Ayaras, your reservation has been made for the 7th of January until 12th for a double deluxe room with a queen size bed and, of course, with a view of the natural scenery of Manila. Your bill will be settled via Visa monthly to 30,000. Check-in is at 3 o'clock. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, that's all correct.
We wish to inform you about our 6 o'clock policy. Please be advised that you have to check in not later than 6 p.m. Otherwise, the hotel reserves the right to give the room to waited list clients.
Noted. Thank you for informing me.
My pleasure. Is there anything I can do for you, Miss Ayaras?
No, thank you. That would be all.
Thank you, Miss Ayaras, for calling. We'll see you on the 7th day of January. Have a nice day.